In today's fast-paced world, maintaining mental clarity and focus can be challenging, but nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting cognitive function. What we eat directly influences brain performance, energy levels, and the ability to concentrate for extended periods. The brain, being one of the most energy-demanding organs, requires a steady supply of nutrients to operate optimally. In this video, we will explore the key nutrients and foods that enhance mental focus, provide sustained energy, and improve overall cognitive function. By understanding how nutrition impacts the brain, you can make informed dietary choices that support your mental clarity and focus, whether you're working, studying, or pursuing personal goals. Skipping breakfast or consuming foods high in refined sugars can lead to energy crashes and poor concentration throughout the day. Instead, start your morning with a nutrient-dense breakfast that includes a mix of healthy fats, protein, and complex carbohydrates. Whole grains, like oats or whole grain toast, provide a slow release of glucose, the brain's primary energy source. Protein, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or nuts, helps build neurotransmitters that improve mood and cognitive function. Healthy fats, like avocado or chia seeds, offer sustained energy and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins that promote brain health. A study published in Appetite found that consuming a balanced breakfast can improve memory, mood, and attention throughout the day. Starting your day with the right nutrients sets the stage for sustained mental focus. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health and are known to improve cognitive function, memory, and mental clarity. These healthy fats help build brain cell membranes and promote the growth of new neurons. Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties that protect the brain from oxidative stress. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are rich in DHA, a type of omega-3 that supports brain structure and function. Walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are plant-based sources of omega-3s that can easily be incorporated into meals. According to research from Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, omega-3 supplementation has been shown to enhance attention and memory in both children and adults. Adding these fats to your diet can keep your mind sharp and focused. Antioxidants help protect the brain from oxidative damage, which can impair cognitive function over time. Free radicals, which are unstable molecules produced by the body, can lead to oxidative stress, negatively impacting brain health. Eating foods rich in antioxidants can neutralize free radicals and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory and learning. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants called flavonoids, which can enhance blood flow to the brain and improve cognitive function. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, are high in vitamins A and C, both of which are powerful antioxidants. A study published in Annals of Neurology found that higher consumption of berries can delay cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet can protect your brain and enhance mental clarity. Dehydration can quickly lead to brain fog, poor concentration, and decreased mental performance. The brain is composed of about 75% water, so even mild dehydration can impact its function. Staying hydrated throughout the day is essential for maintaining cognitive performance. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and more if you're physically active. Herbal teas and water-rich foods, such as cucumbers and watermelon, can also help maintain hydration. A study in Frontiers in Human Neuroscience revealed that dehydration can negatively affect short-term memory, attention, and mood. Keep a water bottle on hand to ensure your brain stays hydrated and focused. The brain relies on glucose for energy, but the type of carbohydrate you consume affects how your brain uses this fuel. Complex carbohydrates provide a slow, steady release of glucose, helping you maintain focus and energy over longer periods. In contrast, simple carbohydrates, like sugary snacks, can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to decreased concentration and fatigue. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta, provide sustained energy. Legumes, like lentils and chickpeas, and starchy vegetables, such as sweet potatoes, are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates. A A study in nutrients found that consuming whole grains can improve cognitive function, particularly in memory and attention tasks. By opting for complex carbs, you can fuel your brain with stable energy, enhancing your focus throughout the day. B vitamins, particularly B6, B12, and folate, play a critical role in brain function by supporting neurotransmitter production and reducing levels of homocysteine, a compound linked to cognitive decline. Deficiencies in these vitamins can lead to fatigue, poor concentration, and memory issues. Eggs and leafy greens are excellent sources of B vitamins. Fortified cereals and nutritional yeast also provide a good dose of these essential nutrients. Research in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience suggests that maintaining adequate levels of B vitamins can protect against age-related cognitive decline. Including these vitamins in your diet supports mental clarity and helps maintain focus over the long term. Caffeine is a well-known stimulant that can improve focus, alertness, and mood when used appropriately. However, too much caffeine can lead to jitteriness, anxiety, and energy crashes, so it's important to use it mindfully. Coffee and tea are natural sources of caffeine that can enhance mental alertness. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus without the jittery side effects of caffeine. A study in psychopharmacology found that moderate caffeine consumption can improve attention and concentration. To avoid negative side effects, limit your caffeine intake to 1 to 2 cups of coffee or tea per day. Iron plays a key role in oxygen transport and energy production, making it essential for maintaining mental clarity and focus. Low iron levels, or anemia, can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and difficulty concentrating. Red meat, spinach, and lentils are excellent sources of iron. Vitamin C-rich foods, such as oranges and bell peppers, can help improve the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based sources. A study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that improving iron levels can lead to better cognitive performance and memory, especially in women. Ensuring your iron levels are adequate will help maintain your energy levels and keep your brain functioning optimally. Magnesium is crucial for brain function, as it helps regulate neurotransmitters and supports memory and learning. Magnesium deficiency has been linked to anxiety, depression, and poor concentration. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds and pumpkin seeds, are high in magnesium. Dark leafy greens and legumes are also good sources. Research in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease has shown that magnesium can improve cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet supports mental focus and overall brain health. Processed and sugary foods can lead to inflammation, insulin resistance, and oxidative stress in the brain, all of which negatively impact cognitive function. These foods may provide a temporary energy boost, but they often lead to energy crashes, brain fog, and difficulty concentrating. Avoid processed snacks and sugary beverages, which can cause blood sugar spikes. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to keep your brain functioning at its best. A study in The Lancet linked high sugar consumption to impaired cognitive function and an increased risk of mental health disorders. Reducing processed and sugary foods in your diet can significantly improve your focus and mental clarity. In conclusion, enhancing mental focus and clarity starts with nourishing your brain with the right nutrients. By incorporating omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, complex carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals into your diet, you can support cognitive function, reduce brain fog, and maintain sustained mental energy throughout the day. Remember to stay hydrated, use caffeine mindfully, and avoid processed and sugary foods that can impair your focus. By making these nutrition changes part of your daily routine, you can unlock your brain's full potential, boost your productivity, and stay mentally sharp no matter what challenges come your way. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Join our community, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.